hopefully I'm back. I think I had just a broadband issue there, and OBS just got totally confused. This is saying that I was still streaming, and I dropped 49 frames, but I was streaming at 0 kilobits per second. Just back. Alright, cool. So yeah, the last thing I saw then was everyone is so aggro on Stack Overflow. So maybe the maybe the programmers on Stack Overflow just kind of hacked in to my broadband at that point and took it down basically. Maybe they just didn't like that. They wanted to fight back. So yeah, IP changed. Did it? How can you tell that? Oh, this thing here, right. Gosh, that was well spotted. That one line was the one, was the other message. Ah, right, okay. Right. Oh, interesting. So my IP changed, took down the whole thing and confused the hell out of OBS. Nice. Let's get some limbo on. So yeah, I think the first thing I need to do after doing the author, yeah, it's saying I need to loop over the members. So yeah, I see, because these things can appear inside the actual thing. So yeah, let's do these guys. The members and the projects. What's the other thing? It's a topic, right? Okay, yeah. Now, actually, the topic. So the references need to happen there. Then the time code. I still don't know what the time code's talking about, by the way. Oh, actually, yeah, this is in. Sorry, this is in the actual annotation, isn't it? This isn't talking about the menu, is it? So yeah, I don't think I've taken account of the actual the menu for some reason. But yeah, after doing the author, I could loop over these and just get those guys styled. I think that would be reasonable to do. What's happening here? Right, yeah. So we're looking for markers. Let's just double check the lib. Yeah, right, because the members in the projects are completely separate. Like they don't need to do anything in particular. Oh, actually, hang on a minute. No, I beg your pardon. We are going to have to take account of the references also in this pass, because these three things here, they can appear anywhere in this annotation. The quote we were saying just applies at the end. Sorry, the quote applies to the entire annotation. Yeah, right. So the quote applies to the whole annotation, but we're just straight up saying that we'd put the actual indicator at the end of the text. So that's the reason for doing that down there. So yeah, I think that argues for, we want to now say if there are any markers, and if those markers are members and projects, then do something. Or if there's a reference, do something. Which is kind of interesting because that means that we need to actually tie in with the title. Well, do we? I say that because the references was the tough part. I suppose, yeah. Let's just start off with the HTML member and the projects. Let's get those guys done, because I don't think I was doing them at all. Previously, I think I was passing the references. Right, I was passing the references before, I seem to remember, but I wasn't passing the members of projects. So yeah, let's do that. And I've heard a lot of dinging. Oh, that's just Intobot seeing that I've gone live again. Keep up, Intobot. Been live for minutes. So we're looking for markers. Right. There's our marker parameter offset. Yeah, that seems cool. Oh, hang on a second. We also want to be populating the categories here as well, because they can appear in the middle of the text. So we're basically sort of saying, if there's a marker or a reference, yeah, I think that's what we're saying. If there's a marker count or a reference count, yeah, let's do this. And this is exactly what this is saying, isn't it? Basically, except that it's saying the categories down here. But we do need to actually, well, if we're going to do it in one pass, we do need to kind of deal with this together. And also, we've got a separate buffer for the HTML categories. Right, so that's what we need to do with that. So yeah, marker counts. If there's a marker count or a reference count. Right, yeah. So this is also going to change this down here. We're not going to be doing this at all, but I'll just keep it there for now. Is that what it was? Marker underscore counts. If that. Or. Then we want to say we need an in pointer here. Have I made an in pointer? Yeah, I have. Oh, it's this thing down here. Then we want to say while the in pointer